Good morning, students. Today we shall continue our social revision with geography, chapter number 4, atmosphere. In the previous class, we have covered two chapters, that is interior of the earth and our changing earth. Two chapters we have completed, and in today's revision, we are going to discuss about atmosphere. In social revision, we are going to revise about atmosphere. As in the revision, first we will start with the fill-ups, fill in the blanks. So come, we will revise with the fill in the blanks. Here, electrically charged particles in the atmosphere are called dash. Once again, I will repeat the question. Electrically charged particles in the atmosphere are called dash. What are they called? They are called ionosphere. Second, fill in the blanks. The atmosphere roughly extends up to a height of dash kilometers. The atmosphere roughly extends up to a height of dash kilometers. How many kilometers? The atmosphere extends up to 1600 kilometers. Here, the atmosphere extends up to 1600 kilometers. Now next we will see the very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. But in that first question is, what do you mean by the term atmosphere? Here, what do you mean by the term atmosphere? Atmosphere means what? Here, answer. Atmosphere means total mass of air that surrounds air surrounding our earth. I repeat once again, answer. Atmosphere means total mass of air surrounding our earth is called as atmosphere. Atmosphere means total mass of air surrounding our earth is called as atmosphere. Next, name the gases found in the atmosphere. Which are the gases found in the atmosphere? Name the gases found in the atmosphere. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, hydrogen, then ozone, etc. These are the gases found in the atmosphere. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, hydrogen and ozone, etc. These are the different gases found in the atmosphere. These are all short answer type questions. Very short answer type question. Answer the following in one sentences. Now we will discuss short answer type questions. Yeah, short answer type question. In that first question we will discuss today. Now, first question is, why is the atmosphere important for us? If they ask you why is the atmosphere important for us, you should write the answer in 3 to 4 lines or 3 to 4 sentences. Start the answer. Atmosphere is very important for us because, first point, it provides protective shield against extreme heat. Atmosphere protects us because it provides us by providing protective shield. Atmosphere protects us by providing a protective shield around the atmosphere. First point, it acts as a greenhouse by keeping the earth warm. Second point, you should write, it acts as a greenhouse by keeping the earth warm. Third point, atmosphere gives us air to breathe and protects us against falling debris from the space rain. It protects us from falling debris. Then it gives us fresh air to breathe. And other weather phenomena are also provided by the atmosphere. And even the atmosphere protects us from other weather phenomena also. This is how the atmosphere is important for us. I will repeat the answer once again. See, their atmosphere is very important for us because it provides protective shield against extreme heat. It acts as a greenhouse by keeping the earth warm. Atmosphere gives us air to breathe and protects us from falling debris from the space rain, and even the atmosphere protects us from the weather phenomena. These are the 4 points which you should write. Second question, write a short note on the atmospheric layer of the earth. The question is asked, write a short note on atmospheric layer of the earth. How will you write? The atmospheric layer of the earth are, first point, troposphere. The first layer of the atmosphere is troposphere. Troposphere which immediately surrounds us. It is the first layer, it immediately surrounds us. Troposphere. Second is stratosphere, lies above the troposphere. Stratosphere lies just above the troposphere. Third one, mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third important layer of the atmosphere. Mesosphere is the third important layer of the atmosphere. Next, thermosphere. It extends from mesosphere to exosphere. Thermosphere extends from mesosphere to exosphere. Then last, exosphere is the uppermost layer of the earth. Exosphere is the uppermost layer of the earth. This is the short answer type questions. Now next we will discuss about long answer type questions. Now we are going to discuss the long answer type questions. The so-called as answer the following in 8 to 10 sentences. Here long answer type questions. Here in the last video also I said you, see here question number 4. I have taken the example like question number 4. Question number 4, which main? This may be fifth main. Fifth main, question number 4. Read the question first. What is the difference between troposphere and stratosphere? Here you are going to differentiate between troposphere and stratosphere, and differentiate or distinguish between. If they give, I said you should make columns. And before writing the answer, see here. In the previous video also I have said you answer number 4. Answer number 4, which main? Fifth main. If you want you can write here. Fifth main, answer number 4. Here in fifth main you are writing answer number 4. Question number 4 you are going to answer number 4 like this. Answer number 4, troposphere and stratosphere. You are going to differentiate between troposphere and stratosphere. Troposphere, first point in troposphere. The troposphere is the lower layer of the Earth's atmosphere. First point. The troposphere is the lower layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Here in stratosphere, the stratosphere is the layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It is the layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Second point. The air we breathe exists here. The air which we breathe, the oxygen which we are breathing, that exists in troposphere. The air we breathe exists in troposphere. In the stratosphere, what you should write? It lies above the troposphere and extends up to 50 kilometers. I repeat once again. Stratosphere, it lies above the troposphere and extends up to 50 kilometers. This will be your Second point. Now third point. Third point, what we should write? Exchange of heat and moisture takes place in this layer. In troposphere, what happens? The exchange of heat and moisture takes place in this layer, in troposphere. What happens here in stratosphere? Ozone is a form of oxygen. Its chief function, what is the function of ozone? Ozone is a form of oxygen. Its function is filtering ultraviolet rays. Here in stratosphere, ozone layer, its main function is filtering of ultraviolet rays. It filters the ultraviolet rays which comes from the sun. Before the ultraviolet rays reaches the earth, what does the ozone layer do? It filters. Ozone layer, its duty is filtering up of ultraviolet rays. Very important point. Next, here fourth point in the troposphere. This layer extends from Earth's surface to an average height of 13 kilometers. I repeat once again. In troposphere, this layer extends from Earth's surface to an average height of 13 kilometers. Here in stratosphere, what you should write? The temperature of this layer increases with the height after about first 20 kilometers. Here the temperature in this layer increases. When it increases with the height after about first 20 kilometers. It increases about first 20 kilometers. Fourth point. This layer has contact with the earth surface. This troposphere has contact with the earth surface. Stratosphere does not have contact with the earth surface. It does not have contact with the earth surface. And the last point here, humans live in the troposphere, not in the stratosphere. Humans live in the troposphere, not in the stratosphere. This layer is the most ideal for flying aeroplanes. This stratosphere, this layer is most ideal for flying aeroplanes. If you want, you can add, you can give the reason here. Why? Because of the absence of cloud and weather conditions. Here, because of the absence of cloud and weather conditions, it is very ideal for flying of aeroplanes. These are the 6 important points. I will just once again cover all these points in a very quick session. Troposphere, stratosphere. Troposphere is the lower layer of the Earth's atmosphere. First point, the troposphere is the layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Here, the air we breathe exists here in the troposphere. This stratosphere lies above the troposphere and extends up to 50 kilometers. Troposphere, exchange of heat and moisture takes place in this layer. In stratosphere, ozone is a form of oxygen. Its function is filtering up of ultraviolet rays. And fourth point, this layer extends from the earth's surface to an average height of 13 kilometers. Here the temperature in this layer increases with the height about first 20 kilometers. And troposphere, this layer has contact with the earth's surface. Stratosphere, it does not have any contact with the earth's surface. Humans live in the troposphere, not in stratosphere. Sixth point, here this layer is most ideal for flying up of aeroplanes because of the absence of clouds and weather conditions. Like this, whenever they ask you to differentiate between or distinguish between, make the columns and write the answers in the points so that it will be very clear. Do not stick to classwork only. In classwork, 1 or 2 points they may have given or not given. Here in revision, I have made you all 6 points clear. So whenever you are reading classwork, go through the revision also. If you find any extra points are added here, please do copy those extra points and try to learn and add in your answer and make your answer more effective and meaningful. And do not say that in classwork they have given only these many points, they have not given that points. This sort of complaints don't bring, because in the revision we are making you very clear and we are reading each answer and showing you how to write the answer. So whenever you read the classwork, at the same time you take even the revision copy with you and revise. If any points are left out, try to add these points also. And in the so far we have covered the revision, social revision of atmosphere. So today we have completed last class 2 geography lesson, today 1 lesson, total 3 lessons of geography is over. Now next, in the next video we will do the social revision of about history. We will do the revision of history. Okay, thank you sir.